Mazda infotainment systems in vehicles from 2014 to 2025 use the Mazda Connect platform. Like any computer system, these occasionally need to be reset to resolve various issues. Common issues that may require a reset include frozen screens, connectivity problems with phones, audio dropouts, and slow system response times. There are two main types of resets available. A soft reset is a temporary system restart that preserves all your data and settings. This is the most common solution for minor issues. A factory reset completely restores the system to its original settings. This erases all saved preferences, paired devices, and navigation history. Use this for persistent software problems. Newer Mazda models from 2023 onwards feature enhanced self-diagnostic capabilities. These systems can automatically detect and resolve minor glitches without requiring manual intervention. The most common and effective way to reset your Mazda infotainment system is the soft reset method. This addresses most freezing and connectivity issues without losing your saved settings. First, ensure your engine is running or your ignition is in accessory mode. This provides stable power during the reset process. Next, locate the power volume knob and the home button on your infotainment system. These are typically found on the center console near the display. Press and hold both buttons simultaneously for exactly 10 seconds. You'll see the system display the Mazda logo as it begins to restart. The system will restart automatically, displaying the Mazda logo. This process typically takes 30 to 60 seconds to complete. If the soft reset doesn't resolve your issue, you can perform a factory reset through the Settings menu. This will erase your saved preferences, but often fixes persistent problems. Navigate through your infotainment menu to Settings, then System, then Reset. Select Factory Data Reset and confirm the action. You may need to enter a PIN if one was previously set. As a last resort, you can perform a complete system reset by disconnecting the car battery. This method should only be used when other methods fail. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely and the engine is off. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for exactly 15 minutes, then reconnect it securely. The system will reinitialize when you start the vehicle. Remember, performing regular soft resets monthly can prevent most major infotainment issues. This simple maintenance step can reduce the need for more drastic reset methods.